Good morning, everyone. I'd like to introduce you to this 1951 Chevy Deluxe styleline that I found in the Texas Hill Country a couple of weeks ago. And I just wanted to share this car with everyone because, you know, it's pretty complete. And as you can tell, I already started stripping it to bare metal, you know, just to see what kind of condition the body's in. But so far so good. The reason I got it is because I just like this body style, and this car really has potential. So I'd really wanted to see what's underneath this paint, so that's why I went with bare metal right now. Still has that 216 engine in it, that 6-cylinder, and I tried to get it started. It cranked over. It needed a tune-up, but let's pop the hood open and see if it starts. You know, this car was sitting there for years, and here's that 6-cylinder at 216. They say they were built like tanks. We're gonna find out right now. So let's crank it over and see what's going on. I gotta turn the key first. Alright, let's check it out. Oh yeah. Well, it's not too bad. Considering it's set for a while. Alright, to be continued. I think the next video I'll share with you would be the process of chopping it. Thank you.